Amazing morning. I'm Maricel Iglipa, currently located in Wainwright, Alberta, Canada. I'm 43 years old. So, dati po ako may problem sa menstruation, sa headache, and meron din po akong problem sa blood sugar. Pero dahil po sa ating Amazing Barley, ito po yung nakatulong sa akin kasi before, sobra-sobra yung headache ko to the extent that it lasted for 4 hours. Even I took medication. But with our Amazing Barley, natulungan po ako ng ating napakagaling na product. Yun about naman po sa menstruation ko, same thing. Nag-i-spotting ako for more than a year. All the result ng aking mga ultrasound was okay, but still, so I was recommended to take hormonal pills to balance my hormone, but hindi ko po ginawa. So what I did is I took barley continuously, and thanks God, wala na po tayong spotting. And about naman po sa blood sugar ko, when I was pregnant with my son, I had insulin for almost 1 month. And then, after I gave birth, continuously checking my blood glucose, still hindi pa rin siya bumababa. So, after 2 years na I gave birth, the doctor told me to take metformin. But thanks God, with this Amazing Barley, di po tayo nag-take ng any synthetic medication. Only our barley. You can see the result of my blood works. Thank you!